definitely wanted to share that with you because that helps me so much. It's helped a lot of my clients with regards to their muscles and joints, and you can apply that in different areas. You could apply that not just your neck, but your lower back. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I wanted to show you a little technique that I do before I go to the gym, and sometimes during the gym if I can, and after the gym, with regards to helping, those achy muscles and joints. And so the main technique is going to be hot compress combined with a layering technique using deep blue. We got the rub and the oil, and then frankincense. So you're like, whoa, what's all that all about? Well, let me show you. Okay, so I have a damp hot rag that I'm just going to put around my neck because it's a little tight, and so that feels actually really good. And so I'm just helping the blood go up to the surface of my skin, and I'm just, ooh, that feels really good. Okay, so as that's going, the main purpose of this is, again, to get the blood to rise to the surface of the skin so that anything I put on top, it's going to be able to receive that. It's so much better. And so it's also opening up my pores, and that is also very beneficial. And, oh, yes, it's kind of relaxing too. Okay, so now that my neck is nice and warm, and you can tell because it'll turn a little bit more, red because the blood is getting to that area. I'm going to use the Deep Blue Rub, which has a number of different essential oils in there, such as we have blue chamomile, peppermint, eucalyptus, we got camphor, wintergreen, a lot of essential oils in here that help with tight muscles and joints. So I'm just going to take about a pea-size amount here, you can see, or maybe just, I'll put it right there, boom, okay. And I'm going to just rub that on my neck area to help prep my workout so my neck isn't as tight, and feels good. It's like a little mini neck massage here. I might use another little bit, another little pea-size amount like that. Just rub it all up in there, get my neck feeling right. Yes, maybe a little bit on the front too. And so I'm just really working it in. It's almost like a, just a nice neck massage. So, whew, this is called self-care at its finest. All right, so there's that. There's actually a bottle of the Deep Blue in this whole thing. And then Deep Blue is the oil, and so this is part of the layering technique. So I could have just left the Deep Blue, and that's fine. It's more convenient in the lotion form, easier to apply. This is more concentrated, but I'm just going to put about a drop here, like this, on my neck. And also what the Deep Blue Rub does is it dilutes any oil I put on top and helps it absorb that much better as well. So I'm just rubbing that in on both sides, all down my shoulders as well. If I can, I might need to use my other hand here, because if you just put this on your skin, a lot of it evaporates. Actually, most of it evaporates really quickly because these are volatile aromatic compounds. And so, again, the blend in here is, just so I can read off the full list for you, you got wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, ylang-ylang, helichrysum, blue tansy, German chamomile, and osmanthus. So lots of great oils for tight muscles, tight joints, even head tension if you have it. So much benefits. And then the last part of this is the frankincense, or Frankie, which this helps with balancing your mood. It helps promote a healthy inflammatory response, and it also helps with cellular function. So many benefits. When in doubt, use Frankie, and you want to make sure to use a quality one like doTERRA. And so this also has the supplement facts on it, so you can take them internally, and they're also third-party tested, which you can verify the batch number, which is hard to read on here because I actually used it and it rubs off, but you can verify the batch number on Source to You, so you can get the GCMS testing results. But anyways, I'm going to take a drop of this, Frankie, boom, like that. Probably didn't see it, but it got on there. And I'm just rubbing it in. And also, when you rub it in, there's less friction because of the Deep Blue is on there. You could also use a fractionated coconut oil, but I like the layering technique with all three of those. I'm rubbing it in, and also that's also telling my body, hey, go to that area. I mean, the blood was already there under my skin because you can tell there's some red there. But yeah, it's just telling the body, hey, focus on this area. We want this area to get some support, and that's basically what's going on. And so just to recap, I used the hot compress, which is still slightly warm, on my neck to get the blood to rise to the surface of the skin. I used the Deep Blue to support muscle and joint function. And it's kind of like a lotion, basically, a natural lotion though. And then I use the other essential oils to layer on top to provide additional benefit. And so how do I feel right now? My neck is tingly, it's cool. I feel really good to go work out now. I'm getting some aromatherapy also, which is also a double, triple bonus, however you want to think of that, right? Because I'm getting my neck taken care of, I'm getting my mood taken care of. I'm also getting some reflexology with my hands because there's hand reflexology going on. And so, yeah, there's lots of different areas that I am, helping out right now, which is really beneficial to head to the gym and get a nice workout in. LVAC, Las Vegas Athletic Club, is where I go to here. They got a number of different huge kind of gyms. But I go there for yoga, Pilates, also weight training, and running. So those are the four main ways that I try to support my health with regards to movement. And then I try to eat right when I'm not there. So I'm plant-based diet, mostly whole foods. And then that's a whole nother video discussion and lots of documentaries and stuff on, how to eat healthier and support a plant-based diet. Definitely wanted to share that with you because that helps me so much. It's helped a lot of my clients with regards to their muscles and joints. And you can apply that in different areas. You can apply that not just your neck, but your lower back, shoulders, legs, anywhere where there's a muscle or joint, you can use this strategy, the hot compress, the layering technique with those three. And you don't have to do all of that. That's just kind of like the super, advanced mode. And so if you just want normal basic, then just go with this. This is just beginners. Just do this, only this. If you want like, hey, I want a little bit extra, then, you start adding in the hot compress or combining one or two or three of the other oils and see what works best for you. And it's kind of just listening to your body and then going from there. Other than that, hey, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'm going to go get my workout on. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.